ADAP is a class that is standard in Georgia, and you have to take it in order to get your driver's license at 16. It is called the Alcohol and Drug Awareness Program because it does just that. And now I'm fucking pissed. If this class sounds familiar to you, which it should, it's because I've already taken it before, or at least I thought. You know the Ingenuity Experience video that I made like a year ago? Well, I thought that class counted towards ADAP, or at least my school told me that class counted towards ADAP. It turns out it fucking didn't. They lied to me. They said that if I took this class, that it would count towards ADAP, and that when I went to go get my driver's license, all I had to do was ask the school for a certificate that said I took the Ingenuity, so it would count towards ADAP, and I wouldn't have to take this stupid fucking class that I'm taking right now. Well, the only good thing about ADAP is, unlike Ingenuity, this class doesn't take an eternity and a half and maybe halftime of a football game. The course is actually only this long, and the questions are remarkably easy. After hearing what I have to say, you're probably thinking to yourself, but RJ, it's remarkably easy and pretty damn short, so why are you so pressed? Well, you have to sit at the computer for 30 minutes every time and look at 10 slides. And I usually use those 30 minutes just walking away from the fucking computer. But you're not learning anything like that! Well, I wasn't learning anything anyway! I've already taken this fucking class! I listened to Mr. Beard ramble on for 3 fucking months about why I should care, and it didn't count! So yes, 30 minutes is a long time, considering I shouldn't have to fucking do it. And the actual real reason why I have to take ADAPT in the first place, or the reason I had to take Ingenuity in the first place, is because Mr. Allen Brown had to present the fucking Joshua Law Act to the Georgia representatives. And just like you think they would, they passed it. So now I have to take this fucking test in order to prove to them that I know the consequences of alcohol, and I know not to drink while driving. Thank you, fucker. So a word of advice from me: if you live in Georgia and your school is trying to get you to take Ingenuity and they tell you that it counts towards ADAPT, it's best to just say, no thank you, I'll save my fucking time. Because it really is just a waste of time and a waste of a semester and a waste of a block that you could use to better yourself in some other course. Not this fucking bullshit where you listen to Mr. Beer for 25 goddamn days, just so you can get told at the front office of your school to basically shove it up your ugly ass. Because that's what you're doing. You're wasting your time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do not get me wrong. I do see the importance of an ADAP class, and I do think it is very necessary for teenagers to know the dangers of drunk driving and why you should not drink and drive, or why you should not drive while under the influence of any type of drug, because it really is dangerous. My problem is that I've taken this class once before, and I was basically told to shove it up my ass because it didn't count.